Alternate ways to implement observer pattern in Python. I was going through a post about how observer pattern can be implemented in Python. On the same post there are these comments. 1. In Python you may as well just use plain functions. The observer class isn't really needed. 2. This is great example of what Java programmers are trying to do once they switch to Python. They feel like Python is missing all that crap and try to port it. These comments imply that the observer pattern is not really useful in Python and there exists other ways to achieve the same effect. Is that true? If how can that be done? Here is the code of observer pattern.
There are many different ways you can observe something in Python. Use property descriptors, custom _setatra_ decorators. Here is a simple example that uses first-class functions. You can then register any callable. This will work properly. The call to do _something will have the correct self-value. Because an object's methods are callable objects which carry a reference to the instance they are bound to. This might help understanding how it works under the hood. Edit, decorator example. You may also use the register method we defined above as a decorator, like this. For this to work, just remember that register needs to return the callable it registered.
First